Baby shark. Baby shark.
Hi guys, my name is Nell. I'm the makeup artist here at Naked, and today I want to introduce you as well.
But she doesn't have a name.
No, she doesn't have a name.
Her name is 11. No.
Hi guys, my name is Nell. I'm makeup artist here at Naked, and today I'm gonna show you how to create this look, this glowy, fresh spring makeup by only using drugstore makeup from 11. So just keep watching if you want to see how I do this look. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna start by using this primer from Milani. It's gonna give some extra glow. So I'm just gonna massage it in on the highest, what do you say, highest points of the face. Now I'm gonna use this Luminous and Smooth foundation from Maybelline Fit Me in number 220. This is a really great foundation that gives coverage but looks very natural at the same time. And I'm just applying the foundation with a foundation brush and then blend it out with the beauty blender. I feel like the finish is more natural when you buff the product in the skin. And don't forget the ears and to blend it down the neck. I blended for like 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna apply some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in number 20. I like to use a little bit of lighter color so you can like highlight the face. So I'm gonna apply it under the eyes, here in between the eyebrows, the nose, and on the chin. And then blend again with the beauty blender. Oh my god, I'm like, I'm so dry throat. I'm like, and we are moving on to contour. I'm gonna use this NYX stick. What's it called? I don't even know. It's a contour stick. And I like to put it on my hand first and then use a brush and apply it, because I feel like the application it's much smoother than just apply the contour stick directly on the face. So I apply it here under the cheekbones and through the hairline to really warm up the face. And I'm also gonna apply some here. Time for blush. I'm using the same stick and this is in color Rose Petal Pop. So now I want to focus this on the apples. I love using blush. It makes the skin look so much more alive. And it gives looks like you've been out in the sun. Now I'm gonna apply some liquid highlight. This is a stick from Isadora, just a highlight stick, and this is in color Champagne Glow. So I'm just gonna put this on the cheekbones. I like to put a little bit over here, over the eyebrows, maybe a little bit on the chin, on the upper lip, and some on the eyes. Then I will use a beauty blender again just to blend everything together. You don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm just gonna set the face. I'm using this powder from Maybelline. It's called Face Studio Setting Powder. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit because I still want to glow in the face. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit under the eyes where it tends to crease a little bit. Like you want it to look glowy, but you don't want it to look like you're sweaty, you know? So I like to apply a little bit here between the eyebrows and a little bit on the eyes. Set that, and a little bit here. Now I'm gonna use some powder highlight as well, and this is from Milani, just because I want some extra glow. So I'm gonna apply it where I applied the liquid highlight. Okay, now I want to set the makeup or the base. So I'm using this Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX. So I'm just gonna spray a lot. Sorry. Now it's time for brows, and I'm gonna show you my secret tip for the perfect bushy brows. So I'm gonna use a regular soap. This is from a brand that I can't pronounce. Do you wanna try?
It's French, so no.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah blah blah. So this is just I mean, it's not clear, but it's like a beige soap, a regular soap. So I'm gonna use that one, a spoolie, and some water. So I just spray the spoolie with water, and then I rub it into the soap. And then you just apply the soap into your brows and brush them upwards. The soap, I don't know how, but it's like glue, so it will make the brows stay. Like, it's the best eyebrow gel you can use. So in between, I'm just using a clean spoolie to brush it through. This is with soap, and this is without soap. Then what I like to do is to use this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. I just want to fill in the like gaps in the brows. I don't want to do them like overdo them too much. I just want to fill in the gaps. So I still want to keep them quite natural looking. So I'm using very small strokes and light. Okay, brows done.
You're outside the frame.
But I want to be here.
Get in here.
Okay, moving on to eyes. Now I'm actually gonna use the same product as I used for the face, the contour stick and the blush as an eyeshadow. I love when you can use a product for more than one thing. So I'm gonna start with this bronzy color that we used for contour. So I'm just gonna use a fluffy eyeshadow brush and apply it in the crease. And I'm also gonna apply some in the outer corner. It's a very simple way to do an eyeshadow look. And I think it's super easy to use cream products on the eyes. Now I'm gonna take the blush stick. I'm just using the same brush. This is just, I don't know, I like when it's a little bit pinkish. This is also to connect to the blush color. So everything kind of, I don't know, melts together. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna use these single lashes from Ardell. I think they look so natural, and that's what we are looking for. Take one lash, dip it in the glue, and then you can just look down and just apply. So I'm starting to apply this medium length of lashes, and then I will move on with some short ones through the inner corner. Oh, I just saw I need an eyelash curler.
You don't have that. You're a makeup artist and you don't have a curler.
That's it. Cancel the video.
I like to apply the lashes before mascara, curl them, then mascara. Okay, is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
So it gives a really nice lift to the eye when you do that. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is the Telescopic from L'Oreal. So I just make sure to put an even coat on both the false lashes and her real ones, so they really blend together. Okay, you can look up. I want to put some on the bottom as well. Now we're almost finished. We're just gonna do lips, and I'm gonna use this stick again for the third time. So this is the blush stick, and I'm gonna apply it on the lips. And apply it mostly in the center. I just want to use a lip liner to define the lips a little bit. This is from NYX in the color Mauve. How do you say this?
Mauve.
Mauve. So I'm just gonna use this just to frame the lips a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna add some glow onto the body. So I'm gonna use the same stick again for highlights. So I'm just gonna paint it over the whole body and just blend it out with my fingers. And now the last step is to use the setting spray again and just spray all over the face.
More is more.
Okay, and the look is done. Woo! Okay, so this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye!